So anybody who has a question, because this is the time where I can answer it, not later on, because I was supposed to concentrate on the rest of the thing. So if you have a question, you have a query, you can ask it. Raise your hand and then you can ask. Okay, Anish, please ask.
Yes, sir. So my question was that foreign plays, like plays that are written in French or anything, so are those very essential to be
Yes,
known for the
yes, yes,
entrance?
yes. Originally written plays, even the Shakespeare is not written in Hindi language, but
Right,
we perform the Shakespeare here, right?
right,
Similarly, French, German, Italian, some important plays which are written originally in French, German, Spanish, they were translated into English and performed worldwide. So not today, but tomorrow I would be concentrating on that. There are international plays, so it's very difficult for you to figure it out which is important and which is not, right? But
right.
since I am connected with theatre as a theatre buff, I have seen many productions and I know which production was done by whom. So I would be able to choose. So I have selected roughly around, if you look into this thing, let me just go to my MCQ thing. So in the international section of the plays, I have included roughly around theatre. Theatre is here. So theatre I have included roughly around 89 plays so far. Okay.
Okay,
So,
sir.
so far I have included 89 plays, which I think are very, very important. Now, how do I know they are important? Because either it is performed by someone in India, by 3 people, 4 people, 5 people, important people in theatre. So it means that play becomes important. So I have done a research on that, and I have asked my 250 friends who are graduate from National School of Drama that which are the important productions written by these playwrights. So they have contributed that, and so it's a little research is gone into it. It is not just a cut and paste from some website. I can, when I will be talking about these plays tomorrow, not today. So I would be able to tell you why I have selected this particular play rather than choosing it. Like Bertolt Brecht has written more than 20 plays perhaps. But I just talked about 5, 6 important plays which are performed all over the country in India. So any play which is performed in India by 3, 4 different group over the period of 20 years, that play become important. So yes, they are important from examination point of view, like any European filmmaker is, because they are international, very, very simple. They are not local.
Yes.
Somebody is sitting in some Kerala or maybe in Madhya Pradesh or maybe somewhere and doing some theatre. No, they are all internationally renowned playwrights and performed all over the world by variety of people.
Okay. Thank
Okay.
you so much, sir.
Adnan Ahmad.
Hello, sir. Good evening, sir. So, in our previous class, we were talking about the plays and the theatre director. So,
Correct.
around roughly, sir, 17 to 20 directors we have discussed in 80 questions.
No, no, no,
So,
no, no, no. We have not discussed the directors.
uh,
We have discussed the playwrights.
okay,
I
sir, we
just
were,
mentioned that so and so play was done by so and so.
yes, sir.
Otherwise, Indian theatre director are not important from MCQ point of view. It is a playwright which is important, and certain other personalities who are connected with theatre. I have also mentioned about them because their achievement is a landmark achievement. So that way, and
Okay,
also
sir.
Sangeet Natak Academy awardee
Yes, sir.
theatre personalities. We call it as a theatre personalities. I have included them also. So right, directors are important in a different sense, but it is more of a playwright who has, like Mohan Rakesh, Ade Adhure, is performed by many groups. So we talked about that. So I just also mentioned who has directed that play. So just for a connect of that production. So it is that way. Yeah.
Sir, are those 17 to 20 playwrights are important? Like they are The highest one which can be
They are not
asked.
20, they are not more than 5, 6. Mahesh Alinkunchwar,
Yes, sir.
then Vijay Tandulkar, then
Hmm.
Girish Karnad,
Girish
then
Karnad, yes, sir.
Sabnis, and
Kalidasa, maybe for
that
that
ancient
Asian.
one. I'm not talking about the ancient one. I'm talking about the contemporary people. But yes, Kalidasa, Shudra, and 2, 3 more people are there. So I have, as I said, that every month we keep upgrading certain questions. What I have already loaded in this website is there in the book already, and every month we keep adding some 50 to 100 questions because I really don't have a time to do it. So I have appointed someone. I keep guiding her, and she keep at doing it. So that's how we go about it. So it is not right now, like today I would be talking about FTI Alumni. There is some discrepancy in terms of the image or small thing, but that would be rectified. That is a second stage thing. Many images are also not there. But since I know by heart, so at least I would be able to comment. But in the second round of upgradation, we will be loading the images and things like that. So you need to keep coming and looking at this site. This is a very, very important site. We have invested a lot in this particular thing, and other sites which are still in the progress of loading the content. So this is the only site which is ready, and it's also cinematography and domain specific question answer site is also ready. Rest would take some time to like.
Sir, also you have talked about awards. You have talked only about Sangeet Natak Academy Award. Also, sir, when I was studying, 2 or more awards I can see in different websites. One was Theatre Pasta Theatre Award, and
Which one?
I may pronounce it wrong. Theatre Pasta Theatre Awards.
No, it's not important. Forget about it.
Sir, Kalidas Samit.
Kalidas is also important, but Kalidas is a state award. Try to understand.
Okay, sir.
Kalidasa award is a state award. This is a national award. President of India gives this award.
Yes, sir.
What is more important? Somebody from state level, chief minister giving an award, or a president of India giving an award?
Of course, the President of India. Sir.
So as simple as that. Okay, Soumya,
Thank you, sir.
Sir, for foreign films, is it important to learn the native names like for French and Iranian wave films?
Yes, very important. Very, very important. They all are international celebrities. In the they have represented their film into the Cannes Film Festivals, and their films has been released in US in foreign language categories. Theatrically released films are there. So it's not just, you can't just ignore that. They're very, very important. Like Maziz Mazidi's film called Baran was released in Bombay. You would be shocked. You got my point? So
yes, but I'm asking the native name of the film. Like for Contempt, it is Lou Mempris. Do we have to remember all names that?
No. Contempt is, you need to remember the novelist. The novelist on which the Contempt is based upon. Okay, the director, the chief actor and actresses. Because the Michel Piccoli passed away, so that film become important. Otherwise, not the distribution house or not the production house. Sometimes, strangely, they ask these production houses' names, so it is stupidity on behalf of FTI asking this nonsense. But no, it is not. Okay, did I answer your question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Fasin Mukhtar. Okay. Fasin, are you around?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please.
Sir, my question was that in the last year paper, I saw a question that is based on film theorists, sir.
Yes.
So how important is
about film theorist you are familiar with? So basically, they wanted to know: have you ever heard in your life called Andre Bazin or Bela Bazak, or there are 10 more? So these are the 2 celebrity theoreticians, and if you Google it, you will find a Wikipedia page on that. And I have loaded 2 particular books by Andre Bazin. Particularly, I have loaded that simply so that you could read those Cinema 1, Cinema 2, Part 1, Part 2, not Cinema 1, Cinema 2. Cinema 1, Cinema 2 is by Deleuze. There's another complicated French theoretician. You read 1 page and then you have a headache, and then you go and read it again second day and third day. So there are complicated people. French theoretician cinema are very complicated. Cinema 1, Cinema 2 by Deleuze is very, very complicated book. I attempted many a time. I could not read more than 5 to 10 pages. But yes, Andre Bazin is more easy to understand and more relatable than the other. Bela Bazak is another one, but Andre Bazin is the Everest, as I said. So sometimes they can ask. See, FTI expect you to know, particularly in the descriptive section. In a descriptive section can be divided into two parts. A, which can be predicted. Okay, where person like me come into the play. I can predict what can happen. So this is a predictable question, for example. Then there is another section where the prediction will not work because it is a situational analysis. You got my point? So situational analysis is you are given a situation and then you elaborate that with your intelligence, imagination. Okay. So two parts are there. So part which can be predicted. There is a prediction part in which this question falls, that write a short note about a film theoretician you are familiar with. Or next time, if I need to formulate a question like this for a cinematography domain specific, I would ask, write a photography theoretician or a well-known photography critics. So there the Susan Sontag comes into the play. Susan Sontag is one of the renowned critics, or Pauline Kael comes into the picture. These names might be sounding for you very strange, but Pauline Kael is not for cinema and Susan Sontag is more for photography. So they can ask something like that also. Okay, next.
Thank you, sir.
Mahim Dora. Mahim Dora.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, I have a question regarding this cinematography segment. Like, if I'm applying for TV and film,
Correct.
then how this process is going on? Like, I'm a bit confused.
See, 1 year is television wing, 3 year is film wing. Today, the distinction of film versus television is over because everything is digital. But if you apply for 3 years, then you will work on the Alexa camera. And if you apply for the 1 year, I suppose you work with a Blackmagic or some little inferior, not inferior, but less expensive is the better word, less expensive format. So that is the one difference. Second difference is the duration of the course. Third year is there is no class as such. You just shoot the 4 project for the direction student. So actually in third year there is no learning, but it is the implementation of your learning which you have done in a second year as a specialization. First year is a common for everybody. And for acting course, it is a 6-month common course. For a 3-year program, it's a 1-year common course. So that's it. So everybody also needs a little shortcut.
The selection process goes on according to that only. Like if I'm getting selected, then
so 1 year,
I have the option.
1 year there is a different interview and orientation. For 3 years there is a different interview and orientation.
Okay, sir. So there comes the question. Like if I'm applying for TV wing, then I have to get prepared for TV artists also.
Not really. If you are applying for TV wing, TV artist has nothing to do with it in terms of cinematography. You are applying for a cinematography for television. So it has nothing to do with the TV artist. You have to do with the cinematography, television things. You should know what the broadcasting is all about. Maybe there's some scanning, what is interface, and couple of television related things they might ask you. NTSC, Paul, they can ask you CCAM difference, something to do with the television, high definition television, or maybe what is 2K, 4K resolution of the television. What is the difference between LCD versus there are other kind of display screen of the television is there. So something to do with TV, they can ask.
Sir, I have another question. Since I have been subscribed to your book, I have purchased your book, and there are some questions related to the summary of the film, the MCQs.
I'm going to discuss today also the films of Adoor Gopalakrishnan. I'm going to, not Adoor Gopalakrishnan, G. Arvindan. I'm going to discuss today how the question can be formulated. How this idea came into my mind is that 5 to 6 years back, I was there at FTI entrance exam for a friend's son just to give them a moral support. And then after once the student come out, one of the question which was asked was that which of the films of Adoor Gopalakrishnan has this character or a synopsis of the film. So I was a little surprised that they could ask this question. So if you have not seen the films of Adoor, you will not be able to answer it. So I said, okay, if you have not seen it, fine. At least you could figure it out the synopsis from the IMDb. So I formulated certain question today on the Arvindan, which we'll be discussing today. Though Arvindan is not FTI Munai, but by mistake it was put into that. So, but I would be talking. So they can
Sir,
ask.
but we have to be prepared for summaries also, right?
Summary also of the important, I would say, 50 art house directors and their 5 to 7 important films.
So mostly Indian cinema or
Mostly Indian, mostly Indian, mostly.
okay, okay.
Not
Thank you.
international. International would be international would be too much for you to handle. But any mad person can ask international also. But that kind of madness I don't expect. They would ask a synopsis of some French or German film, because for that you have to see all those films. But they expect you to watch at least Indian art house films. So that's why the question of Adur Gopala. And Adur was FTI graduate and he was the chairman of the governing body. That's why he became more important to, and he has not made 20 films. He has just made 6, 7 films. So at least they expect कि चलो भाई synopsis तो पढ़ा होगा, पढ़ा है तो बताओ. So maybe from that point. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Mahindora is over. Triyasha Mana. Triyasha, are you still around?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Sir, yesterday you named a Vijay Tendulkar play, The Vultures. There was a film by T.S. Ranga with the same name. So that got a national award in '84.
Maybe,
So-
maybe I'm not
so-
familiar with, but it may be.
So the story is the same because it not mentioned in Wikipedia or IMDb.
Yes,
But-
I was also surprised because I read it somewhere, so I got confused. So I went to the IMDb. It was a very Bollywoodish kind of a film, but I was a little surprised in that I could not find it. So I did not formulated a question because I was not sure. But I don't think Vijay Tendulkar's work would be made by Bollywood people. Bollywood people are least bothered about these theatre playwriters. Sometime a person like Govind Nilani, of course, is very much inclined toward the theatre, and he has worked with various theatre directors and theatre playwriter like Satyadev Dubey. He has collaborated with Dubey ji. So, but not all these rest of these Bollywood people are least bothered about the playwright.
Okay, sir. Sir, most of these playwriters have written some screenplays of some movies. So do we have to read that also?
Very few, I said yesterday, the names which I have mentioned, mainly the Marathi people have done the work with the Hindi, mainly the Shyam Benegal and couple of other people. Govind Nilani, Shyam Benegal and few other people. But mainly these 5, 6 people who has done the work with the Bollywood people. Marathi theatre is very rich in terms of the playwriting. There are many people, not many means say 6, 7. Only state which has given the maximum well-known in Hindi belt playwriter are from Marathi. Bengali, of course, Badal Sarkar only, but some other people are restricted to their native place. Not they could cross the barrier of their language and get into the national scenario. So there are people who are important from regional point of view, but not from the national point of view. Only Girish Karnad could penetrate into the national scenario because he was a director at FTI, and then he was connected. He is more of a playwright than the actor. I consider him a great playwright rather than a great actor, but he acted in Bollywood films also. I was reading his biography, and he says that Hema Malini proposed to me, so which was a little too much for me to digest, but he has taken the liberty, or call it as a whatever reason, because Hema Malini is still alive, and Hema Malini's mother produced that film in which Girish Karnad acted it. So anyway, this is little gossip I'm talking about, but yes, Girish Karnad is important as a playwright.
Okay, sir, in which मतलब वो लोग national award पाए हैं कुछ screen plays के लिए, वो शायद आ सकता है.
देखो आ तो कुछ भी सकता है, but स्क्रीन प्ले का नेशनल अवार्ड का क्वेश्चन ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है, बट एडेप्टेशन ऑफ ए प्ले इनटू ए फिल्म इज मोर इंपॉर्टेंट. लाइक रुक्मावती की हवेली, एज मेंशन्ड लास्ट टाइम, इट्स एडेप्टेशन. तो उस टाइप के क्वेश्चन आ सकते हैं, क्योंकि प्ले कन्वर्टेड इनटू अ फिल्म इज द इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, नॉट द रेस्ट ऑफ द स्क्रीन प्ले नेशनल अवार्ड. बट अगेन दे कैन आस्क एनीथिंग.
ओके सर, थैंक यू.
विकास अटल. हाँ जी, विकास अटल.
हाँ सर, मेरा क्वेश्चन था कि जब आप बोलते हैं तो सर आप एक जूम में एक ऑप्शन आता है लाइव कैप्शनिंग, तो आप उसे ऑन कर दीजिए सर, तो जो हिंदी बैकग्राउंड से हैं उन्हें काफी फायदा हो सकता है।
लाइव कैप्शनिंग कहाँ आता है इसके अंदर, थोड़ा बताओ मुझे भी, थोड़ा ट्यूशन दो।
और उसे फिर सेव नोट में कर देते हैं, उसकी पीडीएफ बन जाती है, आप उसे ग्रुप में डाल सकते हैं, तो उसकी जो आप बोल रहे हैं वो पूरा एक सेव नोट हो जाता है पीडीएफ में, आप जो भी इंग्लिश में बोल रहे हैं उसे पढ़ सकते हैं।
नहीं, अब मुझे आपकी बात नहीं समझ आई। जैसे मैं इंग्लिश में बोलूंगा अभी थोड़ी देर बाद, 10 मिनट बाद जो है, तो उसमें वो लाइव कैप्शन कैसे आता है यहाँ पे? ये इसका इसके अंदर ऑप्शन है कोई?
हाँ है सर, आप अपनी जो प्रोफाइल है, प्रोफाइल में जाकर आप सेटिंग में जाकर एडवांस मीटिंग होती है उसमें जाकर आप ऐसा कर सकते हैं।
एडवांस मीटिंग में जाके उसमें लाइव लाइव जो है, लाइव हिंदी हिंदी ऑप्शन है उसके अंदर?
हिंदी नहीं, इसमें ऑप्शन इंग्लिश में आएगा, लेकिन जब आप जो भी बोलेंगे वो इंग्लिश में हमारे पास आएगा, यानी स्क्रीन पर चलता रहेगा, तो हम उसे देखते रहेंगे और
ओके,
आप
जो
उसे
मैं
से
इंग्लिश में बोल रहा हूँ वो इंग्लिश में जैसे यूट्यूब के अंदर आता है ऑप्शन, वो वहां
हाँ
पे
हाँ
टेक्स्ट भी आ सकता है?
हाँ चलता रहेगा, और
चलता
उसे उसे आप सेव नोट में कर देंगे तो पीडीएफ बन जाएगी, पीडीएफ बन जाएगी तो आप उसे ग्रुप में शेयर कर सकते हैं, तो
है।
उसे और भी आसानी होगी।
सेव मोड में अगर कर देंगे तो ये
सेव
अभी
नोट, सेव नोट आता है एक
सेव
ऑप्शन
नोट।
उसमें।
अच्छा,
हाँ
तो ये मुझे
नहीं,
अपने जो सेटिंग है मेरा, क्या बोलते हैं इसका, ये जो इसका जूम का जो सेटिंग है उसमें जाके मुझे करना पड़ेगा, करेक्ट?
हाँ मैं अभी आपको एक वीडियो शेयर कर देता हूँ फिर बाद में, जो काफी हेल्पफुल होगा।
ठीक है, मुझे वो भेज देना, वीडियो लिंक भेज देना, मैं कल कर दूंगा, आज थोड़ा मुझे झेल लो, कोई बात नहीं।
हाँ
बट ये
ठीक
क्या
है
है,
सर, हाँ
क्वेश्चन नाम है सारे के सारे, ये जो छोटे छोटे है इसमें इंग्लिश का कुछ ज्यादा चक्कर नहीं है। तो नाम तो नाम होता है, तुम्हारा नाम विकास अटल है, अब मैं इंग्लिश में बोलूँ तब भी विकास अटल बोलूंगा, हिंदी में बोलोगे तब भी विकास अटल बोलूंगा, अडूर गोपाला कृष्णन हिंदी में बोलोगे तब भी वही रहेगा।
ठीक है
टूटी
सर।
फ्रूटी है।
गूगल मीट और भी आसान है, गूगल मीट और भी आसान है इससे भी, जूम
गूगल
से
मीट
भी।
आसान है, बट मुझे जूम का थोड़ा सा आदत पड़ गया है, तो हो सकता है मैं फ्यूचर
हाँ
में,
ये हो सकता है हाँ सर, लेकिन गूगल मीट आसान है।
हो सकता
हाँ
है।
सर, एक क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा था सर, भारतीय सिनेमा को आप जो इंटरनेशनल सिनेमा है उसके संबंध में किस तरह देखते हैं?
किस तरह देखते हैं मतलब, बात नहीं समझ रही।
भारतीय सिनेमा को आप जो विश्व सिनेमा के इतिहास में आप उसे किस तरह देखते हैं, या उसकी कला को, उसके विचारधारा को, या उसकी फिल्म बनाने की जो तकनीक है उसको?
देखो, फिल्म बनाने की जो तकनीक है, 1 मिनट का टाइम दो, एक बच्चे का फोन आ रहा है। हाँ बेटा बोलिए। हाँ क्लास 6 बजे नहीं, 5:30 बजे होगा, 5:30 बजे आपने ध्यान से नहीं देखा है उसको, नोट्स को पढ़िए, ऑलरेडी चालू है। ठीक है, लिंक भेज चुका हूँ बेटा मैं, आप देखो अपने उसमें, वो आपको लिंक भेजा गया है, उसमें चेक करिए आप। ठीक है, ये लोग धीरे धीरे जागते हैं लोग। एक एक सेकंड का टाइम दे दो, ये थोड़ा लेट जागा है बच्चा, विकास होता। जस्ट गिव मी अ मोमेंट। एक सेकंड का टाइम दीजिए मुझे। एक मिनट का टाइम प्लीज। Link for today's classes here, Zoom meeting. हाँ जी, तो एक मिनट। हाँ जी, चलिए, तो हम लोग थोड़ा वापस आते हैं, कहाँ पे गया वो सब। ओके, लोग जो है हिंदुस्तान में लेट जागते हैं, 6 बजे क्लास होती है, 5:54 पे जागते हैं अमेरिकन लोगों की तरह। हाँ जी, तो क्या बात कर रहे थे हम लोग? हाँ, तो वो मुझे भेज देना, बट वो कल मैं करता हूँ, तो थोड़ा आज जो है कर लीजिए आप।
सर मेरा क्वेश्चन भी था एक,
क्या गलती?
जो मैं ये पूछ रहा था कि आप भारतीय सिनेमा को जो इंटरनेशनल सिनेमा है उसके संबंध में किस तरह देखते हैं, उसकी तकनीक, उसकी विचारधारा, उसकी
तो
कहानियां।
टेक्नोलॉजी वही है, पहली बात। वहां पे भी एलेक्सा लगता है, यहाँ पे भी एलेक्सा लगता है, टेक्नोलॉजी वही है, बट मेकिंग जो है उतना इंटरनेशनल नहीं है, क्योंकि हमारा जो मार्केट है वो इंडिया तक ही लिमिटेड है। इंटरनेशनल मार्केट में इंडियन सिनेमा की कोई वैल्यू नहीं है, कोई कमर्शियल नहीं है। 4 लोग हिंदुस्तान से आज तक पेनिट्रेट कर पाए हैं। स्माइल मर्चेंट, जो शुरू में पहले हिंदी में फिल्में बनाते थे, फिर बाद में हॉलीवुड फिल्में बनाने लग गए मर्चेंट एवरी प्रोडक्शन के नाम से, और बाकी मीरा नायर वगैरह ने बनाई है, उन्होंने पेनिट्रेट किया है, बट इतने लेवल पे गिने चुने 5 नाम हैं जो उसके बाद फुल स्टॉप लग जाता है। 120 करोड़ की जनसंख्या में से 5 लोगों का कोई मतलब नहीं होता है। अगर आप माली हैं और 100 ट्री आपको दिए जाएं देखभाल के लिए, उसमें से गलती से 5 लोग सरवाइव करें और 95 ट्री मर जाएं, तो आपको माली नहीं माना जाएगा।
और सर कहानियों को किस तरह देखते हैं
कहानियां
आप?
बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग कहानियां हैं। इंडिया इज लाइक ए यूरोप, एवरी स्टेट हैज ए लिटरेचर, एवरी स्टेट हैज ए कल्चर, म्यूजिक, डांस, पेंटिंग, सब कुछ अलग है। पहनावा, रहना, खाना पीना। तो जैसे राजस्थान में क्या है, आप राजस्थान के रहने वाले हैं विकास?
जयपुर, हाँ जी सर।
जयपुर, तो राजस्थान में दाल बाटी चूरमा नाम की चीज होती है, करेक्ट?
हाँ जी।
दाल बाटी चूरमा हर जगह तो नहीं मिलता है। तो
हाँ,
एक अलग स्पेशल कल्चर है, पपेट्री का कल्चर है, फिर म्यूजिक का खतरनाक कल्चर है। कल परसों हम बात कर रहे थे, कोमल कोठारी ने फोक म्यूजिक पे बहुत काम किया है। तो हर एक स्टेट का अपना कल्चर है, बट उस कल्चर को ठीक से एक्सप्लोर नहीं किया गया है। बॉलीवुड ने बड़ा सुपरफिशियल लेवल पे एक्सप्लोर किया है, बट वी हैव अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग कल्चर विच इज नॉट एक्सप्लोर्ड सो फार, डिस्पाइट having such a rich heritage and one of the ancient civilization in the world. We are the most backward people despite the ancient civilization. Vedas यहाँ लिखे गए हैं, वो एक अलग बात है, बट अभी जो है लोगों को थोड़ा गड़बड़ है।
सर ओस्कर में क्या आप ये मानते हैं कि पश्चिम का एक क्या बोलते हैं कि इसमें भी वो अपना अपने जैसे अपने लोगों को देते हैं अवार्ड, या
ऐसा नहीं है। आप देखिए जो है
ऐसा नहीं है, मोस्ट डेमोक्रेटिक मानते हैं ऑस्कर अवार्ड को आप?
डेमोक्रेटिक है, और देखो फेवर तो हमेशा होता है लोगों को, क्या पसंद करते हैं क्या नहीं पसंद करते हैं। जैसे फिल्म है लाइफ इज ब्यूटीफुल, ठीक है, तो उसके अंदर एंड में अमेरिकन टैंक आता है। तो बच्चा हमेशा टैंक के बारे में सोचता रहता है, टैंक के टैंक टैंक अमेरिकन टैंक, तो टैंक एंड में आ जाता है। तो इसकी वजह से भी वो फिल्म का एक सॉफ्ट कॉर्नर हो जाता है, पहली बात। ऐसे सिनेमा पारादीसो फिल्म है, उसमें बड़े सटल लेवल पे अमेरिकन को सैल्यूट किया गया कि यू आर द ग्रेट। उसमें लास्ट में किसिंग के सीक्वेंसेस हैं जिसके ऊपर वो नॉस्टैल्जिया अपना बचपन का देखता है। उसमें मोस्ट ऑफ द किसिंग सीक्वेंसेस आर फ्रॉम हॉलीवुड फिल्म। तो इट्स ए ट्रिब्यूट टू हॉलीवुड, बट इनडायरेक्टली इट इज ए बटरिंग टू हॉलीवुड ऑल्सो, कि प्लीज, दो वो फिल्म टक्कर का फिल्म है, अगर वो सीन ना भी होता तब भी अपने आप में सिनेमा पारादीसो, बट कहीं ना कहीं वो भी एक जो है छोटा सा। अब जैसे क्या है, आप इंडियन लोग हैं, अब एक फिल्म है नानी मोरती का, एक इटालियन डायरेक्टर है, एक्टर डायरेक्टर, उसकी फिल्म में हरे रामा हरे कृष्णा वाला जो गैंग है, इस्कॉन जो है, वो कुछ तबला वो ढोलक वोलक बजाते हुए सड़क पे सुबह सुबह इस्कॉन के लोग जो है घूम रहे हैं, एक छोटा सा ग्रुप है। तो यू फील कनेक्टेड, अरे ये तो इंडिया आ गया हमारे लोग। तो वो हमारा कल्चर है, कहीं ना कहीं वो उसका कनेक्शन है। और वो ऐसा क्यों हुआ उस शॉट के अंदर, सुबह सुबह अर्ली मॉर्निंग के 6 बजे वॉक पे जा रहा है और ये पीछे लोग वहां पे ग्रुप में रोड क्रॉस कर रहे हैं, तो उसके पीछे रीजन। जैसे ही आप उसको कनेक्ट होते हो तो आपको अच्छा लगता है, तो हर आदमी उस चीज को पसंद करता है। तो दैट्स द वे इट इज। 2 more minutes। आर्या, विकास अटल हो गया, आर्या बंसोल।
यस सर।
बोलिए
सर, जैसे कि लाइक यू टोल्ड अबाउट सिनेमेटोग्राफी, like for film wing and TV wing, it is more or less the same. So what is the difference for like if we talk about acting, so if we want to prepare for both, so what
ऐसा कुछ
more can we prepare?
एक ही कोर्स होता है एक्टिंग में, एक ही कोर्स होता है 2 साल का। कोई टीवी विंग की एक्टिंग अलग नहीं है, फिल्मिंग की एक्टिंग अलग नहीं है, एक्टिंग का एक ही कोर्स है, उसमें कोई फिल्म टेलीविजन का चक्कर नहीं।
तो जैसे सर आपके बुक में आपने कुछ मतलब एपिक जो सीरियल्स थी, जो पुरानी टीवी सीरीज, उनका भी मतलब आपने क्वेश्चंस डाले हुए हैं, तो हाँ, तो हमने मतलब टीवी विंग के लिए ऐसा कुछ प्रिपरेशन करना है क्या कि टीवी एक्टर्स या
आपको
टीवी?
करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि टीवी विंग के लिए कर रहे हैं, तो टीवी विंग में जो भी वेब सीरीज आई हैं उनके ऊपर क्वेश्चन बन सकता है, कौन से नॉवल पे कौन सी वेब सीरीज बेस्ड है, कोई इंपॉर्टेंट जैसे हंसल मेहता जैसा आदमी बना रहा है कोई, तो या किसके, तो वेब सीरीज से कनेक्टेड क्वेश्चन पूछे जा सकते हैं टीवी विंग के लिए, क्योंकि टीवी का छोटा वर्जन जो है वो आपका मोबाइल और आपका लैपटॉप भी एक तरीके का टीवी है। टीवी मतलब इडियट बॉक्स मतलब छोटा स्क्रीन। तो छोटा स्क्रीन जो है वेब सीरीज ये सब जो है उसमें आ जाता है। तो आपको वेब सीरीज के ऊपर थोड़ा पढ़ना पड़ेगा। टीवी सीरियल वीरियल में देखता नहीं हूँ तो मुझे कुछ अता पता है नहीं, इसलिए मैं क्वेश्चन बनाऊंगा नहीं, बट किसी जमाने में मैं देखता था कभी कभी जो है, तो वेब सीरीज में क्वेश्चन बन सकते हैं, आएंगे भी। वेब सीरीज इज काइंड ऑफ ए ऑफशूट फॉर द टीवी भी, आई वुड से। तो ये सब हो गया, और बाकी लोग जो हैं, जितने लोग हैं, ये सब कल थोड़ा हाथ उठाना, कल हम लोग बात करेंगे, ठीक है? अभी टाइम हो गया 6 o'clock, so I am going to be on my job. So far it was more of little bit guidance.